Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with Windows updates, specifically the KB5037770 and KB5037771 having errors when attempting to download and install them. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. First one is a DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then you want to paste it in. Alternatively, you can also tap Control V on your keyboard to run it. And once that has finished running, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in the description of my video. This is the system file checker utility, and then go ahead and run that as well. And there you go, guys. You can see it did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. At this point, close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.